Hi everyone, this is Tanu and welcome back to my channel Tanutalks. I hope you all are doing great, and today I'm going to be talking about a product which I recently introduced in my skincare. I'm talking about Garnier Vitamin C Serum. Vitamin C is the one ingredient that remains constant in my skincare irrespective of the season, and I like to use vitamin C only through serums because serums are highly concentrated, super lightweight and blends easily into the skin due to water-like texture. And the best product I have come across for vitamin C is the Garnier Bright Complete Vitamin C Serum. This serum comes with 30x vitamin C, which is highly concentrated formula, making it super effective. It comes in glass bottle with a dropper, which makes it very convenient to use. The serum has a milky color and it's lightweight. It has non-sticky texture which quickly gets absorbed into the skin, giving a natural finish. To use the product, put 3 to 4 drops of the serum directly on your face using a dropper and dab or massage directly into the skin. Talking about my personal experience, I have been using this serum over 7 days now, and I was able to see visible results in just 3 days. My dark spots have faded and my skin even toned. I know many of you will think, Tanu, there are so many serums available and why is this your favorite serum? Garnier Vitamin C Serum is made with natural ingredients like yuzu lemon, which is backed by serious science. In addition, this product is sulfate-free, paraben-free, making it suitable for all skin types, textures, tones and seasons. For best results, use this serum twice a day. Layer it on your favorite sunscreen in the day and with moisturizer at night. This serum is available in 3 sizes: 15 ml, 30 ml and 50 ml. Check out the description box for purchase links and prices. So guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed watching it, and if you did, then please make sure to subscribe this channel, like this video and comment down below. I shall see you guys next time. Till then, you all take care. Bye.